Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Huawei P40 Pro with a damaged display, and we can't really do anything about it except replace it completely. So let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do is try to evaluate how deep the damage is, and we can see that there's crack on the lower right side of the device, and the touchscreen is not really working. You have seen it turn on, but you can't really access the menus or do anything with the smartphone when you don't have the touchscreen functionality. So we have already removed the back cover on this P40 Pro, and we're gonna mark some screws that are different from the ones that we have removed around the cover, and we have removed this cover for the main board. We're gonna detach the battery and the display. So here is our replacement display and battery. So it's gonna be in a combo. So the housing and the display is one. So all we need to do now is to remove the main board. We're gonna remove the battery, but we're not gonna use it on the new one because we have to access the flex cables that are underneath the battery. But we're gonna put that to the side. We're gonna remove the daughter board at the bottom. Also put that beside the replacement display. There's also a lot of components that we need to track. There's still screws on the side, I think for the antenna cables. I'm gonna put that now here so that we don't lose them. So I guess that's it. We're gonna proceed now to our transplant of all the components. Some of the replacement displays have batteries in them, some do not. So this one is just a unique case of a combination replacement parts. This is to service very old devices, especially if your device has both a degrading battery and a broken display. So this is gonna be a convenient repair for us. And David is taking advantage of the opportunity, making quick work on this P40 Pro. So we're just gonna wait until he finishes this. So if you want to try your own smartphone repair, you can just get some essential tools and of course skills. And this one, the P40 Pro, is also relatively easy for beginners. But if you don't want the hassle of risking your device because you're not unsure of your skills, you can just go to your local repair service technician and let them source the parts for you and do the job, the repair job for you. And here we will turn this on, see if it's working. And of course it does. You can see the Huawei logo, and as we remove this plastic, look at that. The Huawei P40 Pro looks battered a while ago, and now it looks fresh out of the box. And you can access the smartphone features now because the touchscreen is now functional. Unfortunately, we can't show you anything inside the smartphone because the client wants us to just stay on the home screen. That's fine for us, no worries. But we can just test it with the emergency dialer app on the lock screen. And I think the black back cover is looking pretty good with this repair. And that's it. This P40 Pro is gonna live on for years now. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.